How to redeem Starbucks gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, you can open any web browser you want and on the search bar, search for starbucks.com. On this web page, click on Join Now option. Once you click on this option, it's going to direct you to this page right here. On this page, you will have to enter your personal information. So go ahead and enter your first name, then enter your last name. After that, you will have to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, create a password. Make sure that you create a strong one. Now click on the option of already have a Starbucks gift card. Then over here you will have to enter the gift card number. The gift card number is going to be of 16 digits. Then you will have to enter the 8-digit security code. After that, if you want to receive emails from Starbucks, you can check this box. Then finally, check the box where it says I agree on the terms and conditions. Now click on the create account option. Once your account will be created, you will get the added gift card on your account, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.